Hey there, my name is Lousine, and I'm a Customer Enablement Manager here at Synthesia. Today, I'd like to share one of my favorite Synthesia tips with you. Since we recently released personal avatars with natural backgrounds, I'd like to show you how to add ambient sound to your videos. If your personal avatar is walking around outdoors, like Ada is here,
And it's as lovely outside for your avatar as it is for me. Your audience might expect to hear some birds chirping, perhaps coupled with the soothing sound of leaves dancing in a gentle breeze.
Or maybe you recorded your avatar in an office building in the heart of a big city, and you want to give your audience a taste of the hustle and bustle of it all.
either way, it's a pretty simple process. All you need is a video file that contains the ambient sound you'd like to add to your video. If the ambient sound you have is in an audio format like an MP3, you can quickly and easily convert it into video using a free online conversion tool. Once you've got your ambient sound video ready, upload the video and add it to the desired scene. If there's a specific part of the audio that you're looking to include, trim the video. You can set the sound to loop if it's not long enough. Be sure to adjust the volume so that it doesn't overpower the volume of your avatar's voice. If there's more to your scene than your personal avatar, or if you're using multiple ambient sound videos, you can use triggers to set when the sounds start and end. Since the ambient sound is added as a video element, and not as a music track for the scene, you'll be able to hear it when you preview your scene, which will help you decide where the audio should start and end. After you're satisfied with the timing for your ambient sound, all that's left is to hide them, so they don't show up as visible elements in your scene when you generate your video. To do this, select the video elements and either set their opacity to 0% in the control panel on the right, or drag them out of the visible area of the scene. The videos will still be audible even if they're invisible or off-screen.
That's all there is to it. Personal avatars already sound really natural because your voice is recorded in the exact setting your avatar will be in. But now you can make them sound even more natural by adding ambient sound that makes sense for the space your avatar is in. Thanks for checking out my video and happy creating!